Hi, we are Team 5 and we are going to present Fungi Kingdom. Fungi includes microscopic unicellular species such as yeast, pluricellular such as mosses, and multicellular such as mushrooms and fungi. They are nourished by decomposing organic matter, that they are heterotrophs and spore-forming. Microscopic fungi are sessile, while pluricellular and unicellular fungi, and they do not present locomotion structures.
Are fungi unicellular or multicellular? Fungi are unicellular as well as multicellular. Most fungi are multicellular with the exception of yeast, because yeast is unicellular. The vegetative body of a fungus is unicellular or multicellular. Dimorphic fungi can transfer from the unicellular to multicellular state depending on environmental conditions. Unicellular fungi are generally referred to as yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and Candida species. Common fungal infection are examples of unicellular fungi. Fungi is autotroph or heterotroph. All fungi are heterotrophic, which means that they get energy they need to live from other organisms. Like animals, fungi extract the energy stored in the bonds of organic compounds, such as sugar and protein from living or dead organisms. Many of these compounds can also be recycled or further used. Fungi are not able to ingest their food like animals do, nor can they manufacture their own food the way plants do. Instead, fungi feed by absorption of nutrients from the environment around them.
Fungi is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Fungi are part of eukaryotic cells, and as such, they have a complex cellular organization. And as eukaryotic fungi cells contain a membrane-bound nucleus, and the DNA in the nucleus is wrapped around histone proteins, as is observed in other eukaryotic cells. Fungi has a cell wall. Yes, fungi has a cell wall that is located outside the plasma membrane and is the cell compartment that mediates all the relationships of the cell with the environment. The cell wall is a characteristic structure of fungi and is mainly composed of glucans, chitin, and glycoproteins.
Are fungi parasites? Generally, pathogenic fungi are parasites of plants. Most parasites enter the host through a characteristic opening like a stoma in a leaf, a lenticel in a stem, a wicked plant hair, or a hair attachment in a natural product, or an injury in the plant. Many pathogenic fungi are parasitic in humans and are known to cause diseases of humans and other animals. Do fungi cause disease? Fungi have the possibility of causing pathologies through fungus replication, immune response, competitive metabolism, toxic metabolism. Compared to bacteria, less is known about the mechanisms by which fungi cause disease. Superficial mycosis. Superficial fungal infections affect the outer layers of the dermis, nails, hair, or mucous membranes. They also have the possibility of acting as a source of deeper infections in immunosuppressed patients, and skin wounds have the possibility of acting as a getaway for bacterial pathogens. Therefore, it is essential to seek and maintain control of those infections in all hospitalized patients.
Prey or predator. Fungi grown on the skin of dead animals are carnivores, so they are considered dermatophytes and they help the decomposition process. A quantity of fungi have already developed mechanisms against their predators, such as amoebas and roundworms. Are they photosynthetic? Fungi are heterotroph, which means they cannot produce their own food, but they feed from organic carbon. They are not capable of photosynthesis, but complex and organic compounds are their source of energy, such as trees.
Subdivisions. Basiodiomycetes, Agaricomycetes is a lower division. The volatales are largely ectomycorrhizal fungi, hence are found mainly in or north woodlands. As comesietes, elotiales are distinguished by their disc or cup shape of the apothecium. Mucoramiocta endogonales is distinguished from other fungi by its production of small sporocarps that contain many zygospores that are consumed by rodents and distributed by their feces. Zygomicota is mucorales fungi are typically fast-growing and their broad hyphae have no septum. Multiperforated septa are unique to sporangiophores and Gametangia.
This is the end for the presentation. Thank you for your attention.